This video will show you how to use the SCREENCASTIFY editor toolbar. When you are in SCREENCASTIFY's editor, you will see down here that I have some tools that I can use. Let's go over a couple of them right now. Starting over here, I can zoom in to the track where my video is showing. Notice that my clips get bigger and bigger, and I can see more of what was going on in my video. I can use this button here to play or pause the video. This shows the time that I'm viewing, how long I have left in the video. Now, if I come over here, you'll notice that I've got some tools here, and most of them are grayed out. The reason they're grayed out is because I'm not selected on the video that I want to edit. You can add more videos to edit together by using this plus tool. If you do that, you can upload the videos from your Google Drive or from your computer. Let's talk about these tools now. The scissors is a cut tool, and notice this white bar that shows you where I'm at when I'm watching my video. If I click on that cut tool, it will actually cut those two segments in half where that white bar was. This again would be good if I added another video and I want to put it in between these two clips. The other option that I have is this crop tool. And just like you would imagine, it actually crops some of the video. So let's say I clicked on this clip and I wanted to crop in and view just this toolbar. All I did was click and drag. Then I hit done. Notice that I see only that toolbar that I cropped in on. I don't see anything else on the sides. So if I played my video, let's go from about here. Now I go back to my normal view. All right, let's click and do some work here. So let's say I've looked at my whole video and I really like that heart and I want to zoom in on it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this magnifying glass so that my video does this fancy zoom just to that heart. I can click and resize. This is where I can change the transition speed. What that means is how quickly the video will zoom in and zoom out. Let's leave it as is and see what happens. Click out of it and notice this green magnifying glass that shows the zoom. So if I click here, right before it, and then click play, see how it zooms in and then zoom back out. Another thing that I can do is I can add text to my video. So let's say I go back here to the beginning and I want to add some text that says that, hey, this is a toolbar. I'm going to click on the text. I'm going to type something in and I'll say toolbar. I can make any changes to the text that I want here, size, everything that you could do in like a Google Doc. And then notice if I click play, the word toolbar shows up. Now, I can also trash a clip. So let's say I didn't like this one. I can click delete right here and notice that this clip is selected yellow. So that's the clip I am trashing and it gets rid of it. Now say I trashed that clip by mistake and I want to undo it. Well, with my keyboard, I can hit Control-Z or come up here to the top and click undo. Now I've got it back. So another thing I want to talk about is with this text and the zoom, notice when I hover over it, there are these three dots. If I click and drag those, it basically means that that section will last longer. So notice with the toolbar, I've extended the length of the text being there. And for the green, what I'm doing if I click and drag is I'm extending the length of the zoom or shortening it if I want the zoom to be super quick, like this. All right, maybe I want it even quicker. Let's make it even smaller. And this is where the magnifying glass here comes into handy, so you can see it a little bit bigger. If I click on the magnifying glass, notice I can change the size and placement of my zoom or any transition speeds. Another thing that I can change is if I click here on the toolbar and then click on the text, I can go ahead and edit that text, make any changes that I want. Maybe I want it there. Come back and take a look. Awesome. I know that seemed like a lot to take in, but the best way to get better at this is to make some test videos and try it out yourself. In fact, I bet you wouldn't believe that this video was made using the Screencastify editor as well. And that's it. Check out the other videos for more information and helpful tips.